Hey guys, Danielle with Honey Truck here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mojito using our St. Augustine wildflower honey. It's for sure going to be a crowd pleaser and your most favorite drink of the summer. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to gather your supplies. You'll need some rum, club soda, limes, mint, and of course your Honey Truck honey to make some simple syrup. You can try it spicy and try using our dazzle honey. Next, you'll make your simple syrup, taking even parts honey and water. I used 1/4 cup of each. Don't bring the water to boiling, but get it hot enough to dissolve the honey. Then you'll add your mint and a squeeze of lime to a mortar and crush it with a pestle. Next, you'll add an ounce of your simple syrup and muddle again. Add the mixture to a shaker with ice. Don't forget to add your rum, and then give it a good shake. Pour the mixture over ice and stir in some club soda. Add some garnish and serve.